but I could have, man, I could have gotten a lot more. I mean, gold will probably go lower, right? I think it's going to go back to 4,100. Um, this looks good. A lot of buying. Hey, Jimmy John, what are we looking at today? What would you like to look at? Interesting. Um, you had calls. Yeah, that's the hardest part, patience. Best thing to do to wait. Um, what I would suggest that helps me is if you, where's it? Trade of eight. So I look on the 1 minute, like this is NQ, right? Like this pushed up, right? And I really want in it. But I know these EMAs, it'll touch. So I have to wait. So if I waited till it touches, it should touch. What was your level on the Qs? You can look at it. I actually had a bunch of calls. I had 10 that I bought here. Oh, no, I didn't buy here. Wait, where is it? Actually, this looks like it's coming down. Looks like it's gonna come down $1. So, I mean, if you are still bullish, 1258. Really, wow. Yeah, 1258 is the, so 1258 is the, how did you get that number? Do you know? Because if you take the opening range, opening 15-minute range is here, right? Is here. And then all you have to do is just drag it to the top. So this would be your first target, which is that it's 58, 59. Your second target would be 1344. Perfect. But it's important also to know how that range is developed. So a lot of times, like if you're in a short, um, I don't know why I was so bullish today. I think just because the VIX was lower, that's why I kept adding into my position. Um, so if you're going to do the orb as a strategy, you just take the high and the low of the 15. I use these little boxes, they're pretty helpful. And then 50% of, so see the red line, that red line right here, that's 50% of the range because it didn't break through really till here. Um, but I kept holding this line that I had drawn. That's why I kept it. And also VIX was going down. So usually VIX goes down, stocks go up. But the how that range is defined is the 50%, right, would be the first target, second target, 1345. So this could go to 1345, but I don't know. I think it's going to retrace. Watch between 1 and 2 for a retracement back down to like 611.25. It'll probably retrace right here. Maybe 611.31, I'm gonna say. But here on the hour, I mean it's closing above it. And that's yesterday's. So it'll probably go to that 1345. 1345, then it probably will reject 1350s and then go back down. Um, yeah, but this is the way you got to think of it. If you're a short, like if I shorted here, right, and I took profit, right, I might be trying to short at this level here again to re-enter. As soon as it goes above this 1280, you can get the hell out of Dodge. They're going to cover because they usually are just going to set it up at the high. So as soon as, yeah, I would say 1245, which it's holding above. I think it's going to go higher, but I also think it's going to retrace back down. Probably take out like that level. I mean, I drew that there, and there is where the doji is. So I mean, the reason I did that is because I looked at the 15-minute. This has zero wick. Do you see that? Zero wick. So if you look, it says the low, um, yeah, the low and the open. Well, I guess it does have a little wick, but it's very small. Doesn't look like it though, right? Yeah, no, low and the open are the same. All right, see, shorts are going to cover now, and it's just going to go higher because people are going to try to short at that resistance level. After it pushes high, it's going to go like probably straight up. These are the pivot levels that are in orange, but I mean, I only have one left of these calls. One left. I mean, I sold most of it here. I had 10. I had 10 609 calls. I sold 10. I mean, I sold 5 at 355, and then I sold another 4 at 362. So the high a day, I mean, this is the high a day. So I could have bought back in. That's what I actually did earlier today. I bought back in. I actually had the 610s. I had 25 of them. I sold 10. I want to say 10. And then, or no, I sold 15 because I had 30 of them. I sold 10 at like $2 and some change, I think 204. And then I rebought back and lowered my cost average and sold it at 206. It's basically the same place where I sold it again. I just rebought at a lower price and sold it. I don't pick the pivot levels. So that is just a traditional auto. They're auto set. I don't need to pick the pivot levels. Does it? So those are already generated. So I'm looking here. This might be a reversal on a double top here. It's looking like a double top here. It's just called pivots. Pivots, traditional. Hmm. You know, I should take mini. I should take a mini. I have some of these accounts today. That one's good. That one's done. These other ones are in review. I mean, this is a micro, sorry, not a mini. So I'm looking at this, but I'm trading this. So nothing crazy, two micros. Um, this is on a 15. I mean, it should retrace back down to this. This is the EMA, the orange line. Buy, buy. Nothing crazy, two micros, or yeah, micro mini NASDAQ. Yeah, two charts. You can just go here, this little layout, and you can put two. Or there's a way you could just put it'd be like basically a moving average under it, but I like to see the chart so I can see the price action. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a 5 that I can do. You can change. I like that so I can see it. I mean, this looks like it's building out. Yeah, I'd probably do that and that into these. These are the 1 minute, 1 minute indecisions. And then this blue here is an order block. So basically, as long as it holds here, we're still bullish. I'm looking at both. I'm looking at both. I generally look at the 5, but I mean, the smaller time frame you go, the more it's going to chop you up. So it's like it's going to confuse you because the 5, like if I look at this, right, this is a 15-minute. This is showing, right, wick off. So it's a better indication of what it's going to do. If you look at like a larger time frame, when you're in doubt, zoom out. So um, I'm adding here. This could retest up here and then go back down. Um, I still like it as a short for now, but I mean it's halfway done and it's a 15-minute. This is a 1 minute, so it's like look at all this. It's confusing. It's confusing as all hell. Yeah, generally when you're like looking to scalp, you can do a 15-second. Like if I do, um, like this is a 15-second chart, right? Mm, this area 25, 3, 19. Yeah, I think we're good. This moving average it's holding into. 5 minutes moving up. See, it's pointing up and to the right, so it's bullish. This is a short-term trade. I'm not holding this all day. This is probably just going to go back down really quickly. I'll get a few points, call it a day. It's not nothing crazy. It's not crazy size. This is a micro contract. So what's the VIX doing? VIX pretty flat right now. Okay, now it's working out, right? Right now it's working out. It's a 5 minute. Hmm, should. Yeah, and a lot of times, like if you're trading Qs, like 0 DTE are very hard. I've lost a lot of money trading those. It's also, if you look at what the open interest is, it gives you a better indication of how many people are there. So that open interest is usually what the like the gamma levels are. We can look them up too. Like if I go, like I pay for this software, but if we go to here, right here, let me reset it. So intraday, and this is generally chop because divergence was negative. Now it's positive. Now it's, I mean, now there's no divergence. We can go here, go to the SPY. So there is a lot of gamma, meaning there's a lot of interest at this 673 level. So 673 on the Qs. Red, it attracts. Green, it repels. So the 612 area it's attracting to, but it's probably going to be like bounce right off of the 613. It's basically holding there at that 610. That's like support now, and that's resistance. Green is like the support and resistance areas. Cool. It's working. This trade. I need to leave here shortly because I have a haircut, a shave and a haircut. It's my birthday tomorrow, so I want to get a shave and a haircut. So I'll probably close this trade definitely within the next 5 minutes, and I gotta go. I have to walk there. It's like 10 minutes. I already did. So that's that. Perfect. Buy stop. So yeah, it'll probably go back down to that. This will probably go back down to here, which is where support is on this order block, which is interesting. Micro. Literally was the top, but I want to get out of this. It's probably going to come back up. I mean, look at that. That's a huge volume, huge wick. It'll probably go back up. It's holding that this level. What did I say? 119. It's 119. Took me out. I'm fine with that. I mean, this account, I made like 200 bucks. It's not bad. I'm happy with that. Um, yeah, no problem, Jimmy John. Do you have any other? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Uh, got it. I have pull that from my, yeah. Yeah, I like Mike. Mike's good. I think he's really good. I was listening to Patrick what's his name? Patrick Wieland, and Mike popped up and he's like, shut up. You don't know what you're doing. And I was like, no, no, Mike, and everyone kept going, oh no, Mike's awesome. Mike's the shit. Um, but yeah, we'll probably go back up. I like that. Swept is holding the shoulder block. Do you see the EMA? It just keeps following it. So like this is the 15 minute. If I look at the 15, it'll touch it. Could flush really quick and just go right back up, which it did. Touch, 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 touch. Um, make sure I'm out of everything here. Good. Oh, um, but yeah, that's it. So, do you have any other things you want me to look at? I have about 2, 3 minutes. Anything you want me to look at? I mean, everything looks good except my plug position. Plug looks terrible. They had good news today too. I mean, this should come back up. I mean, it's really just holding. Daily. Oh yeah, it's gonna took out liquidity. Okay, cool. Hmm. I like that it's holding that. It'll probably read right back up. Um, Baba. Let's look at Baba real quick. All right, Baba. Hmm. What are you in? Calls or puts? I'd be more bearish on this. No? 'Cause I mean, look, it's a bear flag. This is. Mm, I mean, mm, this is what I am seeing. Like, so bull flat. Oh, you sold one at profit. Amazing. I would be more bearish on this because look, that's like down, high volume. This is a high volume daily candle. Just want to cross. So like, and if anything, this is like, yeah, it could, but like weekly, yeah, that's a big. I mean, this is probably gonna go down and form. I mean, if this goes down, right, it would fill that. This is a weekly. This would be the shoulder, the head. Could wipe out to 26 area and then go down. I mean, I would get out, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm just looking at the chart. I mean, you have to look at the fundamentals and the technicals, not just listen to me. But um, to me, I mean, this looks more bearish because it's been down, right? And it filled, had this like little gap, it filled. I mean, it would need to, I don't know, man. If I were buying this, I would want to buy it here, like below 150s. Yeah, I would probably just 'cause I mean, like, look, it's going down, right? It's holding below VWAP today. I mean, like on the 15-minute opening range, it's below it. So I mean, if it goes to like 60, I would get out. I mean, you could probably get out at VWAP here. It looks like it's gonna form a. Uh, I mean, it's holding this. It's holding this. I would get out though if it goes below 167. 167. It's holding this area here, this 167.85. But if it doesn't hold 167, I would be out. But all right, so I'm gonna end. Hope I helped add some value. Please like, follow, comment. That helps. I'm trying to get more subscribers. But yeah, let me know. I'm gonna try to go live more often, at least for 10 minutes every day. So um, you're very welcome. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.